Welcome to Cleaver Sprouts. Come with me, the sea shouts out. Let's dive down, it's such a wish. Bubbles show a golden fish. Swim, swim, golden fish. Shine and sparkle, make a wish. Round and round you go so fast. Who jumps high above at last? Jump, jump, dolphin play, splashing bright in ocean spray. Laugh and spin, what fun we see. Who waves arms beneath the sea? Octopus with arms so wide, changing colors side to side. Peekaboo, what could that be? A turtle swimming close to me. Glide, glide, turtle slow, gentle heart, soft waves flow. Friends together, side by side, now it's time for one last ride. Fish and friends in ocean blue, thanks for swimming, me and you. Come learn with us where knowledge sprouts.